Waxahachie, Florida, we got a service call. He kind of already gave me a pretty good update what was going on. Fan motor was bad. I tried changing the cap, tried boosting it, nada. So what we're going to do, I kind of always like to bundle everything together. I'm going to take off this fan. I'm going to do a full system cleaning. And I can guarantee you this fan probably broke because how clogged up the coil was. So I vacuumed the drain, cleaned out the bottom of the unit. And look how dirty that drain was. That drain was clogged up. Vacuumed everything out. Cleaned out the electrical cabinet. I don't like it to be all dusty. I like it nice and clean when I'm all done. Look how much dirt is clogging up that coil. When that fan's running, it takes a lot more electricity if the coil's dirty to get air through it. So to build a little bit of value, I always do a full system cleaning, and I actually like it because I use it for marketing for the videos. And I don't know, it's just I feel good when everything's nice and clean. I know it's not going to break because of, hygienic reasons. Set up the new motor, set up the new blade. Shaft was too big. Got to cut that bad boy. Cut the shaft. There we go. Get rid of that guy. Put the motor in. Make it all nice and tight. Turn that puppy on. That's what I'm talking about right there. Boom! I used a little bit too much soap. I cleaned it all out though. We're all good. Check the pressures. Things looking pretty nice.